Hi everybody, this is Terry from Sweet Pea Papers, the Sweet Pea Papers Facebook group, the Junk Journal Tutorials and More Facebook group, and the Junk Journal and Paper Crafts Facebook group. Yes, there are 3. Be sure to go visit them. We have special days almost every day of the week for you to post your YouTube channels and your Etsy shops and all kinds of great stuff. And we have challenges and giveaways every month. And yeah, it's a fun place to be. You can win stuff every month. Now, I also have the Sweet Pea Papers Ko-fi shop, and you want to go over there and check out some unique journals that I have for sale over there. The ones from the videos are there. And then I also have some tutorials for sale. They're unique tutorials that you can't get anywhere else. Okay, all right, so that's that business. Now, this is video 4, that's all, video 4 in our Ferns and Mushrooms series. And this is a kit by Artie Mays. You can still get it. It's a little bit older kit, but she's still got it in her shop. And I checked just a couple days ago, and it was a little bit around seven and some change dollars to buy the kit and the add-on, which has the ephemera. Okay, so here we go. On the cover, we have a CD cover with a card that comes out. There's 2 charms. One is a heart with a leaf in the center. The other one says handmade. We open this up, and there is a writing space with some ephemera on it. We open this side, and there's a tag and a pocket here with 2 of the circles that were made from the 2 CD covers that we made. These are the cutouts from the centers of the windows. Oopsie. Gotta touch up the glue. That one looks like it got caught on the edge. That one too. Those little bitty ends sticking up, I guess. Okay, and then you have this large image here, which is one of my favorites. I love these mushrooms in this kit. Whoops. And you open, and there's stenciling on all the tabs. On the big tabs is the mushrooms and the large ferns stamps that I have. They're like this. I love them. There's a set of 7. You can't buy them as a set, but there's a set of 7 on Temu. And I hunted down all 7 of them. Then, so that's on the tabs on both sides. This page is just a kind of a pretty page with a tag that actually is a double tag. It folds open and there's stamps, and then on the back side is another image, and it fits in that pocket right there, which is a halfway gusseted pocket. It's not gusseted on the bottom, and that makes it not super wide where everything falls out. On this side is an envelope, velcroed, whoopsie, hook and looped to the flap. This is a flap. We've got a little stamping going on here on these smaller tabs too. And then here is a pocket. So you open the flap, and over here you have a belly band with a big mushroom on it, and then a little card with a little stamp on it. All the cards are stamped, at least as far as I know. That fits in there. And then over here is that image again. That's the pocket image. And then here's a great big card that fits in there, and it has a stencil on the back of the mushrooms to go with the mushrooms on the front. So then you close this back up, hooked by a magnet, and then you flip this open, and we have another combination page. We have a pocket here with a large card that has a belly band of its own, and when you take that out, it's got a card with some mushrooms on it. Whoops, see? And I got to stamp it on the back. I guess I got so busy with the belly band I forgot to stamp it. Then you flip this up, and there's another large card with a stamp. And then here is a belly band with writing space on it, and it holds 2 tags, even though it looks like one great big tag. If I get it in there straight. Okay. Down here at the bottom, we have a CD cover with a really nice card. I managed to get a nice card out of that image. Part of one of the big pages. Now, believe it or not, there's only 8 pages in this kit. We have reused them a couple of times, but we've used 1/2 one time and 1/2 the other time because these pages are wider than 1/2. So we've had to be a little creative, and we've gotten to use them with only 1 or 2 duplicates. So this has the card, and then it flips down, and there's a writing space with this fern on it. It flips back up. This flips back down. This is pretty heavy. On this side is a large belly band with a large card that's stamped. And these are stenciled as well. I mean, stamped as well, all in the back. And then here's a large stamp again with the mushrooms on it. And then we have a double pocket. And we have this one with a little collage on it. And we have this card with the big red mushrooms on it, my favorites. And that's it. That's our folio that took us 3 videos to make. Actually, it was 4, but the computer ate one of the videos. And so that wasn't very nice of the computer to do. And so it ended up being only 3. Fortunately, video 2, the original one in this series, did not include any difficult pages. So I think my explanation of what I did is enough to reproduce the 2 pages that we missed. So that's it for the flip through for Ferns and Mushrooms. I hope you come and check out our next series, which I'm not sure, I think is going to be Christmas, which is going to be December. And in the month of December is the Very Crafty Christmas collaboration that I host and co-host with Natalie from Line Dot Arrow. She's designed a kit specifically for that event, collaboration, whatever you want to call it. And there's going to be a huge giveaway at the end. Okay? All right. Well, that's it for this flip through. And we'll see you in the next video series, which is going to be a Christmas video series. In fact, there's going to be 3, I think. And then other designers every day of the month, all the way up to the 25th. So have a great time and have a Merry Christmas month. And I will see you in the next Christmas series. Thank you very much, and bye-bye.